It doesn't look like it's streaming. Yikes. Oh, it is. Okay, we are. Good. Oh, it is. Okay, we are. Good. Oh, it is. Okay, we are. Let me open this bigger. Good. Oh, trying to show as much as I can. Let me open this bigger. Oh, trying to show as much as I can. Let me open this bigger. Oops. Oh, trying to show as much as I can. We had that. Oops. Trying to show as much as I can. We had that MacBook screen capture audio. We don't really need that, do we? And then the mic aux. Okay. Are we here? Are we clear? Do we got it all going on? Can you see everything? Let me... Hi, Jerry. Okay, I'm going to announce at everyone. I'm live for today's trading recap in bikini, of course. If you're not in the Discord, get in the Discord because that's where I announce that I'm going live. Hi, Sadiq. How are you? I am somehow still in a good mood, even though I had a terrible trading day, as you can maybe see from here. But we'll talk about it. We'll talk about it. Hi, Jeff. I had terrible trades today. So I'm going to go over them. Sadiq, that's good. I'm glad you are feeling good today. So if you're in the Discord, I revamped everything. So if you're interested in trading, there's that. And then, of course, there's just the regular stuff as well. But I've been interested in trading for the last 4 months or so. And so that is what we're doing today. Okay. So we'll get some people in before we start. How's everyone doing? How was everyone's weekend? Did everyone have a good weekend? Oh my God, where'd the chat go? I just refreshed my my stream and now I can't see. Clean makeup. Oh, thank you, Alex. You like my makeup today. I just did it during my therapy session. Thank God I had therapy today because the trades were terrible. But I'm glad you like the good vibes. Yes, I'm still in a good mood, still trying to trek along and be happy. You like it with or without makeup? Thank you. Yeah, today I did a little fresh face. My hair's up in like a clip, but I thought makeup, hair doesn't have to be done, so it's okay. Oh my gosh. Okay. Slay. Okay, you like it. You like the messy hair too. What was for breakfast? Okay, today I had bacon, tomatoes, and some almonds, and then a green juice. Very strange. Normally I do not have breakfast at all. Jeff knows that. But I normally just go with a coffee or a matcha. But today I went for like a full little meal. Surprising. Sometimes that happens, yeah. Show us tattoos, Sedic says. Okay, well, we will do that after I do my trading recap. Very healthy. Yeah, it was a healthy breakfast. God, you did something different. Yes, thank you. Okay, I'm trying to refresh this again so I can see how many people are in there. Okay, there we go. Now I've refreshed and I can see, but now the chat's gone again. It's so crazy. Okay, whatever. Well, we should start with today's recap because that's what I wanted to do. So the day opened right about here. I'm going to zoom in. So I'm going to show you what I did and why I took the trade. Because honestly, it was a good trade. I just should have known by the way it was moving for a while that it was probably not going to be as clear as it normally is. And so here is our first 15 minutes. And you guys know from Friday, I normally do a 15-minute box around wherever the highs and lows are. And then what I want to see is a break of that box, and then I want it to come back into the box. So I want it to break, come back into the box, and then go back out of it again. So as you can see, it did break here just slightly. I didn't take anything. It broke again, and I didn't take anything. I waited for it to come back out again. And this is where the first failed trade happened. So I did stick to my plan. So I'm proud of myself there. But it wasn't successful. All you need is a little cheese to go with the tomatoes. Oh my gosh, honestly true. I need to get like a block of cheese so I can cut like cubes. Because right now I just have shredded cheese. But cheese and tomatoes does sound really good. Oh my gosh, Kamal, thank you so much. Do you love red kini? I made sure to put on red kini today because I wanted, if anyone followed, to do red kini. Oh my gosh, look at Nicholas. Nicholas is shaking his head at me because yesterday, of what he was saying yesterday. You're hilarious. Don't worry. There's going to be red days, okay? And so I'm just being open about my journey. Hi, Louie. Don't care. Cooking stream when? Ooh, Alex, maybe we should do a cooking stream. Red Kini is probably top 3 in the internet as a whole. Oh my gosh, Alex, thank you. Okay, so I waited for the break of structure. I took the trade, obviously thinking it was going to go up, and I marked off the last high as where I was going to take profit, at least for the first trade. And I normally take 3 lots. So I was going to take like 1 off around here and then hopefully let it keep riding. But it broke down. And normally you can have your stop below your box, your 15-minute orb. But I just wanted to be extra careful. So I took a loss right there. Because I didn't want it to keep going down and then be even bigger of a loss. So, well, little did I know I was going to keep taking losses all morning, so it's okay. Sedek, that is inappropriate, and then I would get flagged, and then the stream would be over. Wouldn't that be so sad? But if you want to see it, all you have to do is do, I think you just type that, and then it'll come up. There you go. There you can see them. Why don't you go look at them over there? Okay. So the next trade, again, so I did it again. I tried the 15-minute orb still, broke down, and then came back out. So then I took another trade thinking it was going to continue to go lower, which it eventually did. But it broke it. I wanted to make sure it was just here at the top of that, so I kept my losses small. So it came back up before going further up. So honestly, I'm glad I took that small loss there too, because it wasn't looking good. So because it kept going back in, I did end up taking another win. So this was my first and only win of the day right here. I wish I would have held it, but I was so nervous at that point because I had taken two losses. So I didn't hold this one, even though, as you can see, it did climb all the way up to the high of, I think, overnight. Nicholas, I just typed that. You can click it. It's right above your comment. That's where Sedek needs to go. He keeps saying the same thing. Okay. How's everyone's weekend? if you didn't see me yesterday. I saw Nicholas yesterday. Alex, were you here yesterday? I'm not sure. But okay, so at this point I was like, should I be done for the day? And I should have been. I think this is what I'm learning today. Like I said, I'm new at this, and I think part of me does this revenge trading after I take losses. I even made a TikTok on my Alana Goddess TikTok, which, by the way, I opened an Alana Goddess TikTok. Hey, invisible pool girl who streams. What? You can't see me? Or you can't hear me? Can see or hear. Oh, you can't see or hear me. Hold on. I'm going to switch out and go to trading. Let's go to, oh wait. It's like crypto. Crypto and trading. You'll be able to see and hear me now. I don't know how you could even get in. Okay. There. Now are you in, Maddie? I've switched over to crypto and trading. Okay, so I should have stopped here. But like I said, I do this revenge trading thing that I need to stop doing because at this point I was only down, I don't know, 300. Which is not bad because as you saw on Friday, I was up like 2K or more, maybe 3K. So losing that really wasn't that big of a deal. But of course, because I'm new at this, I revenge trade. Yeah. Okay, so right here, I thought we were going up. If it reverses at any point, then I'm going to take the reverse. So I saw it bounced up, came down, and then was going up again. So I took that trade, hoping that it would continue going up. It didn't. I kept my stop loss super, super small. So right there. Honestly, not bad. I'm not mad at it. The only problem that I'm mad about this is that I was revenge trading at this point. So I shouldn't have done it. It was stupid. You can put it back now. Should I? Or should I just stay in here while I'm finishing this part? Okay. I'm just going to stay here in crypto and trading until I'm done. Okay, so then the next thing that I did was another one here. So as you can see, I revenge traded after the first 3, and I should have stopped because my thing is I want to do 3 trades in a day. If one of them is a loser, then it is what it is. If I start out with a loser, have a second loser, then I should be done. So I should have really been done after this one, but I was happy with my small win here. So like I said, down not that much, and then it became really bad when I took this one here. So I saw it drop out of this box that I created, the purple box, and that was a lot of consolidation. So I thought if it comes out either direction, whether up or down, which honestly my thought was right, I just didn't have a high enough stop loss. How long does all of these trades take? Okay, good question. Let's go back. So where's my 15 minute? Okay, so my 15 minute is... Okay, so this is 15 minutes. So you can kind of gauge it based off this box. So each one is probably 15 minutes-ish, but I can tell you. So like this was 7:17. This was 7:31. Yeah. And then this was 7:51, 8:05. And like I said, I'm in a combine, so I'm not actually trading my money. So the wins and losses, it really doesn't matter because it's not my money. It would only be my money once I get to a certain threshold, which I haven't completed yet. So if I get, like, basically it's testing me to see if I can actually do it. And then once I can do it, then I would be able to trade real money. So yeah, so that's where I'm at right now. I'm trying to learn so that I can actually do this and actually make money. But right now, as I mentioned, this is just like basically a test. And like I did really, really well on Friday. I was up 2K, again, fake money, but semi-real money. Like if I make it to a certain threshold, then it would turn into real money. But yeah, 2K, then lost today a lot more. So not up right now. Not in profit at all. Okay, so now let's go over here. So like I said, it was in consolidation. Oh, also, I wanted to show you the book I was reading because I kind of mentioned it yesterday or on Friday. This is the book I've been reading. It's called A Beginner's Guide to Day Trading Online. It's actually an older book, but it still has great information on learning how to trade. Nicholas said fair. Yeah. See? Nicholas, are you with me today? I feel like you're with me today. Okay, so let's go back to this consolidation. So I saw a ton of consolidation. I thought if it drops out of that consolidation, it will continue to move. I was right, but I kept my stop loss so tight. It was at the worst possible spot, honestly. So if I would have put this above here, which is probably what I should have done, which is what I'm learning today, put it above your consolidation block, then you won't get stopped out. So I had mine in the middle of my consolidation block because I just wanted to be extra cautious, but that ended up biting me anyways. So this is where so I could have taken this profit right here. I was thinking it was going to keep moving down. I just moved this green box to like where I got out anyways. Or I didn't get out there. I should have got out there because then that would have been a win. Because I got in at a good time. I think I got in like around here. No, it was definitely there. Okay. And then I could have, honestly, if I just held that, it just kept moving down the rest of the day. That would have been a win. But it was a loss. So the revenge trades, I would even say my winning trade was a revenge trade. So I shouldn't have taken my winning trade today. That one there. I shouldn't have taken it. Definitely shouldn't have taken these two. Oh, you can't even see what I was doing. Hold on. Let me squish it all the way together so you can see all of my trades in one place. Okay. Can you see all of them? Not really. Hold on a little bit more. I can also turn this into like a 5-minute and maybe that would help. Okay. I always trade on a 1-minute and I think I need to change to a 5-minute. And smaller lot sizes. I shouldn't take 3, I think. I think I need to start taking like 2. Okay. But I didn't blow the combine, so I'm happy either way. As long as I don't blow the combine, I'm happy. Sounds like today was a teaching kind of day. Yeah, it was a learning day, really, it was. So, here's what I learned today. I think I need to take smaller lot sizes. After my 3 trades for the morning, I need to call it quits. Let it be. I also need to let my trades breathe. Like I should really have my stop loss, instead of being super, super protective of it, I should be like more thoughtful of where I place them. So like this one again, I should have placed it above my purple blocks. But I was being like, look at this, could have been a winning trade. Above purple box, and then I could have taken out way down here, honestly. Like all the way, it went all the way down to here today. That could have been a winning trade, but it wasn't. So yeah, those are some of the things I learned today. 3 trades only. Don't revenge trade after a losing trade. I would say 2 losing trades, then I should be done. It's okay if I do 1, because I could have, like, let's say I waited this whole play out and I waited for this one, then I would have 2 trades. And that would have been okay. So I would say 2 losing trades, done. We should write this down. That's how you learn. With summary and breakdown, keep improving, taking notes on what you need to avoid and improve. Yes, thank you with the W, Alex. I appreciate that. I have a notebook here where I take notes on this. So let's write down what we learned today. Okay, so the first one was 3 trades max. Okay. 2, after a second loss, like 2 losers only. So maybe I shouldn't have taken, yeah, I think that's right. And then place the stop losses in a thoughtful manner, not in a scared place. Not a nervous or scared place. Okay. Was there anything else that I learned from these trades? Let's see. Oh, thank you, Alex. You're so sweet. Okay. 3 trades. I think that's everything for today. Because I learned from this trade. This trade, I honestly don't think it was terrible. Okay, there is something I learned from this one right here. It wasn't at one of my support or resistance lines. So I would say wait. Like if I would have taken this one here, because that's at what is this, resistance? No, that's a support. Support? Resistance? I don't know. One or the other. I need to learn that terminology. But if I would have taken that here, I wouldn't have been mad at it. Because it was at a support resistance. That one wasn't. So make sure to be... Okay, so... place trades at... Yeah, support and resistance. I think what I was doing here on that one was I was looking at... Oh, and you know, it didn't even cross this EMA thing. What is this called? Oh, VWAP. That's my VWAP. It didn't even cross my VWAP. So I need to place trade at support and resistance, VWAP, and or... I also have it another... What was it? What are they called? Oh my god. See, I'm still learning the terminology. It's okay. We're learning. We're learning. Chart. Oh, my FVGs. Okay, so let's write that down. Fair value gaps, or what was the other one I just said? VMA? No, that's not what it's called. VWAP. Got it. Okay. So I probably made no sense in that last, like, 5 seconds of me explaining this. Oh, yes, check out the YouTube. I'm just uploading these lives as well. And I also have some other videos there, too. You need to look over solidness and probability. It's useful to know that as well. Okay, let me write that down. Oversoldness. Oh, oversoldness and probability. Okay. Hi, Justin. You love red Keeney. We are Keeney trading. And today we are going over my trades from this morning. They were terrible. I did really, really bad, but that's okay. Hi, CJ. Okay, now you can see the market is closed right now. It opens again at 3 or something like that. But, okay, actually now you can't see that until I moved over here. Now you can see it, right? Okay, yesterday when we were back testing, I had 2 really good trades. It basically dropped all day today. Oh, here's another thing. I had a really big bias that it was gonna go up today just because of what it did overnight. It kind of went sideways and we were already in an upwards trend. So that was my assumption because that's what happened the night before, or over the weekend. It was just going sideways, right? No, last night. Last night it went sideways. And then on Thursday night, it went sideways, and Friday it went up. So it's kind of just, I had this bias that it was going to go up today. And I think that was also a learning thing, is I can't just decide that's going to go up and keep trying for that. Although only 2 of my trades were up, and then 3 of my trades were up. 2 of them were down. Yeah, I think I need to let go of my biases when it's just going to do what it wants. So I have to listen to what it's doing. Thank you, CJ. I didn't do my hair, but I did my makeup. I just did my makeup. Nicholas said CJ's poem today was smooth. Super gorgeous and super intelligent. Oh, thank you. I always knew you're so much more. Oh, that's so sweet. Well, I'm not profitable yet on this, so one day, I'm trying to learn as much as I can so that I can figure this out. Thank you, Alex. I'm glad you love Red Kini. Oh, a drink? That sounds amazing. Although, I guess it's 5 o'clock somewhere, right? It's only 1:40 p.m. here today, right now. Okay, I'm going to switch back into bikini. Oh, it's 9 p.m. there. Wow. I'm going to switch back into the bikini and pools. There we go. There's the Discord. Be sure you're in the Discord because it's really fun. I put all my updates there whenever I'm going to go live, whenever I'm going to do something fun. So be sure you're in the Discord. I need to get another red bikini for Red Kini. I feel like we need to do that. What do you think? You think I need another Red Kini too, Nicholas? Oh my gosh, my hair is definitely a little bit of a mess, but I can put it down. Let's see how it looks down. There we go. The wet hair look. It's not wet, it's dry. The updates I was talking about. What were the updates? Oh, from my Instagram picture? The wet hair look that I did? Okay, thank you, CJ. Nicholas, what did I miss? I have no idea what you're saying. You just have an arrow pointing up now. Or are you just saying that's CJ? Oh, that's nice. Now I get it. I think another red kidney look just amazing on you. Thank you, Jeff. Yes. I feel like I need another one just so I can switch it between like different red keenies. Oh my gosh, off the chart. Thank you, Alex. Oh, yeah. I got it, Nicholas. At first I was confused by the arrow, but then I read what was above it, and I was like, oh, wait. I think you're saying, like, same. Oh, thank you. Some days I get ready, some days I don't. Today I got ready. My hair was just how it is right now. I didn't do it I slept on it, and this is how it is. But I did do my makeup while I was in therapy. Tomorrow, I should look at this. I'm coming on every single day to review my trades going forward, and I hope tomorrow is a better day than this day. I really hope so. If I look at this whole thing, watch, if I change this from like, let's go to like 30 minutes or an hour. It's doing this like drop down here. This is where it is right now. But it wasn't an uptrend. So I don't know if it's doing just like a lump sort of thing like this, where it goes up, down, and then comes back up. It depends if it breaks the last leg of it. So it would be like, the leg of it would be like here, I think. Or even here. Ugh, that's hard to say. This would be the last leg of it, or this would. So I think so I actually think this will continue down a little bit more to at least hit this area or this area. And then I believe it'll come back up like this. How that sort of same thing happened here. I'm gonna get rid of some of these lines that I don't need. I don't need this yellow line. I also am not sure where this orange line came from. But honestly, that's a good orange line. Okay. You know what? This makes sense. I should have known it was going down. I feel like now, well, now I could have predicted it because it actually happened. Graphs, whoa. Andrew, what do you think? Oh, CJ, was it in slow-mo? When you put your hair down? Like in a movie? Alex, where at? On the O? On the blue link? On this one? Discord? I only answer personal DMs on that one. Where the kickbot just sent. Okay, I'll see you there. What do y'all think of my trades today? Terrible? Because they were terrible. When it broke here, I should have just stayed down, but that's where the purple box happened, and it was all consolidation right here. But look, it broke this kind of... Yeah. Makes sense, actually, now looking at it. That's the thing. Sometimes you have to look at it from a bigger time frame. And when I look at it, let's do like an hour. I kind of want to see... Let's like really review this. What did I do? See, it did this lump thing here. Oops. I don't know what I just did there. Ah! Didn't mean to do that. Oh, it did a lump thing here. It did it again, and it came back almost all the way. So did it come back almost all the way here? No. But it's doing it like very circular. I don't like how that looks. I don't like how this looks super circular. Like when it's, this one's sharp. The sharp ones just are easier for me to understand. Because this one's arched and now it goes down very far. So maybe the arch means it's going to continue down. It seems like the sharper ones are easier to kind of follow. Oh. Okay, one more time frame. Let's look at it from a 4-hour perspective. I once had a crush on a girl who had slow-mo effect on me. I feel like that happens when you have a crush. Thank you, CJ. But yeah, Nicholas, I think that happens when you have a crush. Everything's just in slow-mo. It's like... Did anyone do anything fun for the weekend? Okay, look at this. It's still in an upwards trend. It just had a huge drop right here, but now it's actually still in an upwards trend. Like an intense upwards trend. Okay. Good to note. I don't know how I feel about that, but I do think it might come down more to around there. Because look at down, and then it did it again, like very close. So I feel like it could come close, somewhere around here. I'm gonna make a box for me for tomorrow to see what it does in after hours. I think it could come down around there. That's my guess. Just because the same thing happened right here. And then if it continues down, then we'd be going down into a downward trend. But I think that's where it'll go in the next few days. No, just her. The other just made me feel, I don't know what you said. It must have been a bad word, Nicholas. You're being naughty. Okay, that's my best guess, is that it'll come down around here. Yeah. And if it doesn't, then I guess it just stopped there, but that's strange. This one came down halfway from the other one. Oh, okay, I guess that's halfway from the other one. No, this would be. That purple line would be. Okay. See, I feel like something that I could work on is how to analyze the charts a little better, because I'm good at doing the orb in the morning. And then if it fails me, then that's when I start the revenge trading, which is what happened today. And that's where I feel like I could learn a little bit more how to read the charts. And I have all these lines, but maybe I have too many. Because I put them on based on like where price is gone and where I think it'll go again. I'm going to get rid of some of my lines that seem irrelevant. Price is like right here right now. Oh, Nicholas. Why did your crush make you feel like that? Nicholas, you're funny. That's a funny joke. Alex, the green heart is one of my favorite emojis. You might be able to tell a couple of my favorite colors, unfortunately, are green and red. I say unfortunately because if you put them together, it's just like full Christmas. But obviously, I love red kini. I love wearing red. I think it looks really good on me. And then green, I think it just pops. Like, I love the color of like the Kick logo. And obviously, I have that as like my profile photo background color. I just love it. It's so bright and fun. But then if you put red and green together, not a good combo. Right? Oh my god, I'm so tired. I'm so tired. Okay. I think I'm going to call it a day on stream. I know I've only been on for 40 minutes, but I'm exhausted. And I'm just so tired. I feel like I gotta go. But I'll see you every single day. This is my new schedule. You're gonna see me every single day. And some days I'll be on longer. Okay, maybe not nap time, it seems. Bad Maddie. Maybe I'm just like a big child and I just need nap time. I feel like this is when you'd have nap time at like a daycare or something. 2 p.m. sounds like the perfect nap time. But yeah, I am so tired right now. I think I need to maybe go make some coffee because I actually don't think I had coffee today. Yeah, I didn't. I had the green juice. Oh my god, I think I need to have coffee right now. I need to go make some coffee and I'm gonna go to my oaf. So if you want to meet me there, I will do that after I make my coffee for anyone who wants to chat longer because I am exhausted. It's like Granny needs a nap. Bad Maddie, don't call me out like that, but true. Fair enough. Yes, the blue page. I will see you there in like 20 minutes because first I'm going to make my coffee and maybe 15 minutes. It shouldn't take me that long. Maybe 10 minutes. I'll see you in 10 minutes, okay? Thank you, Jeff. I'll see you in 10 minutes on the blue. I just need to make a coffee immediately.